Hi, my name is Jeff Alsbrook.
Hi, my name is Sylvia Kohl. Welcome to Little Doom Beach. This home is modeled after a resort. It's calm and relaxing and has all natural materials.
We designed the house to be open and airy with high ceilings and lots of daylight.
Enough talking about it. Let's start the tour.
One of the first things you'll notice when you walk into the house is the notion of transparency. There's floor-to-ceiling glass that opens up in the front and the back, and the floors extend through the house and out to the exterior. We placed this fireplace wall that's a see-through to the dining room beyond the entry.
Hello, and there's more room on this side. Here you see the dining room right next to the fireplace, and it's wrapped in natural light. When you look up, you see the wooden ceiling and clear story windows letting in light from the outside. And what is great about the front yard, it's completely zen and calm. It's kind of a beachy, sandy theme with aloe trees and coastal grasses.
The living room of the house is like the center of a cross where space comes in from the inside and out through this door, and then the family kitchen wing is over there and the bedroom wing is over there. The ceiling was a structural feat because we had glass going around all four sides of it, and there's just one small connection where it gathers strength from the wall of the house. We did that to make it seem very light and airy and as if it's floating. Leading to the backyard, there's this 25-foot wide sliding wood door that completely pockets. When the door is open, you've got a seating group in here, seating outside, and it's all one space. We designed the house to feel open from wherever you are. So from the kitchen, you can see out to the backyard, you can see the nook, you can see the living room, and you can walk straight out to the pool.
Every time I'm in a kitchen, I'm so happy because the kids can be right out there in the pool, and the drinks and the food is right here if they need them. And speaking of drinks, what better place to serve than when here on the island with this beautiful Calcutta marble. And then we continued a second counter and a backsplash and created a shelf above where you can have your cookbooks.
Well, we made most of the house open and airy for indoor-outdoor living and fun with the kids. When you need to get away, there's the primary suite.
What we did here with a primary bedroom, it's separate from everything and had its own private courtyard outside. We created two courtyards, one directly off the bedroom and another one off the bathroom.
The bedroom wing is the most private part of the house, so you've got your own relationship to the landscape here. You can go from the bedroom around the corner into the primary bath, and it's a whole different experience.
This outside area is why you want to live in the house. This is everything. You see the pool, you can have a drink in the bar, just relax.
This is the one place on the property where you can see the entire house. You can see the floating roof in the middle and then the two more enclosed wings on the sides.
The pool aligns with the house, the pergola aligns with the pool and the house.
Overall, the house is an extension of the landscape, where the landscape flows straight through it and the house becomes just one more element to experience the site.
The client allowed us to create a masterpiece.
We had a great time showing you the house. Thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.